Good morning everyone. Now we have to discuss about the surface integral next problem. This is application again surface integral. The given problem is if f bar equals to 4xz I cap minus y square j cap plus yz k cap. Evaluate double integration is f bar dot ds f bar dot n cap ds where S is the surface of the cube bounded by x equals to 0, x equals to a, y equals to 0, y equals to a and z equals to 0, z equals to a. Okay, first of all we have to draw the given graph of the given points and the vector point function, x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. 0 to a, small a, 0 to b, this is a small a, 0 to c, this is a small a point. Clearly we need to draw the graph of the diagram is c, y-axis, x-axis, z-axis. This is a point a. All are x equals to 0 to a, y equals to 0 to a, z equals to 0 to a. Simply we have to take this is the points and draw the cube here using the points. So this is 0, a, b, c, p, q, r, s, like this. Okay, this is the way of the drawing of the given here the points. Okay, now the points a, this is the x-axis a 0 0 and this is the y-axis 0 a 0, this is the z-axis 0 0 a and p be the complete three axis involving a and this is the intersection point. X-axis y-axis are a comma a and z-axis is 0. This one also intersection point of yz, x is 0 a and this one also intersection point of z-axis and x-axis, x z are the values a and y is the 0. Clearly origin is 0 0 0. Okay, in the cube we have the 6 surfaces. Okay, so the surfaces are clearly, one is this one and here this is a projection of this, again this is the surface, again this is the surface of second one, again OCQA is the next surface and the projection of this one is here PRBS. Total we have the 6 surfaces, these are the 6 surfaces. Okay, we need to find the surfaces values using the points. See here, first of all, from the given f bar is the vector point function, let us calculate double integration s f bar dot n cap ds for each and every surface. Okay, now the given total surface f bar dot n cap ds equals to total 6 surfaces, double integration s1 plus double integration s2 plus double integration s3 plus double integration s4 plus double integration s5 plus double integration s6. Okay, now see the first one. So what is the first case one? Surface PQAS. PQAS. This is the first surface. PQAS is the first surface. See the surface and the x-axis is the perpendicular. This surface is perpendicular to x-axis completely. We need to take unit normal vector is n cap equals to I cap. N cap is I cap, x corresponding vector function is I cap. Okay, now obviously what is ds? X corresponding is y cap completely. Without x and I we need to take ds, dy, dz. Okay, so this is x perpendicular, so that's why the region is perpendicular to which one? YZ plane. So YZ and PQAS, P A and Q A0 A 0 A0 0 S A 0. In these 4 points the common is x equals to a and the both sides we have to differentiating dx equals to 0. Okay, substitute and going to the limits. See x values 0 to a limits. y limits 0 to a, z limits 0 to a. So y is 0 to a, z is 0 to a. Substitute all these in the given. See here, double integration s f bar dot n cap ds equals to integration y equals to 0 to a, integration z equals to 0 to a, because we are taking ds is dy dz. F bar is the vector point function, dot n cap is the I, and in this we don't have j cap and k cap. Simply 4xz into 1, I dot I is the 1, double integration 4xz dz dy only. Okay, and since we have x equals to a is there here, x equals to a is there, substitute x equals to a constant outside, integration y equals to 0 to a, 4a is a constant, remaining integration z equals to 0 to a, z dz into dy. Integration of z is z square by 2, remaining total common 2, 2 is a 4 get cancel, again 2a is a constant taken outside, and in this substitute the upper limit z equals to a, so a square, here integration of a square dy. Okay, a square is a constant taken outside, 2a into a square is 2a cube, integration of dy is the y 0 to a, limits, substitute the upper limit here a, 2a cube into a, so that is 2 into a to the power of 4. So this is the first surface value. So what is the surface here? PQAS. Okay, now PQAS completed. The projection of PQAS is OBRC. OBRC, this is a projection of PQAS. OBRC is a projection of PQAS. Then n cap equals to minus I cap, obviously. Total same. ds equals to what here? ds equals to dy dz. And write all these points of OBRC. The common value is x equals to 0 and dx equals to 0. And what about the limits here? Y limits 0 to a, z limits also 0 to a. Double integration f bar dot n cap ds equals to first integration, second integration, y equals to 0 to a, integration z equals to 0 to a. F bar dot n cap, what is n cap here? Minus I cap, and ds is dy dz. Okay, now here minus 1 into 4xz, minus 1 into 4xz, simply x equals to 0, the total double integration is the 0. Okay, the PQAS and those projection of PQAS OBRC also completed. Okay, now we have to go for the third case. So what is the third case here? The surface BR